Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can blur face in Davinci Resolve. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So just import your video in the media pool and then grab the video, drag it in the timeline. And now let's go in the color tab. Okay, we need to go in the color tab in order to blur our face. So I'm gonna use a video that I downloaded from Pixabay, and now we have to go here to window. And why we use window? You can you can select which one from here you want: linear, circle, polygon. I'm going to use linear. And why we need this? Because um, inside this linear we're gonna blur. Okay, we're gonna blur the face. We're gonna do something inside this linear. Okay, here inside this linear we're gonna blur the face using some effects from here. But before doing that, we have to track the face, because she moves her face and is not stable. This linear is not following her face. So what you have to do is to click on tracker, and now click on track forward. Now wait, this is an amazing feature. That's the only program editing software that has this feature, and it's amazing, and that's why you should use Davinci. That's just my personal opinion. Look, that's just incredible. And now click on effects, and then here we have effects, right? And blur effect, and here we have the mosaic blur. Okay, grab it and drag it um, in the image here. Okay, and now we have the blur. Okay, now we have the blur and there's no problem. I think that's pretty much it. You can also increase the blur. You can play with settings here. And now if we go to edit, here we have the blur, and is actually tracking her face, and it works perfect. And I hope you learned something, guys. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and take care, and I hope you're gonna have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video.